You are a great designer, but your bank account, it doesn't agree. And no, the problem isn't your skills. You know what's the real problem? You have been taught to think like a designer, not like a business. But today I am going to flip that because I will show you 5 advanced strategies real designers are using to make $3,000 to $10,000 a month without going viral, without begging on Fiverr, and without burning out. You have probably sent a message like this before: "Hey, do you need a logo?" Or worse, "I am a graphic designer, please hire me." Let's be honest, that feel like kind of desperate, right? Like you are begging for attention. And what do you usually get? Crickets. Left on read, maybe a polite "we will get back to you," but they won't. Why? Because you are blending in with the 500 other designers doing the exact same thing. Here is what actually works. Instead of asking for work, show them what you can do. Pick a small brand you like, check their Instagram, website, maybe their menu. If they are outdated or messy, redesign it. Maybe it look dope, clean, professional. Then send them a message: "Hey, I really love what your brand is doing. I took a shot at redesigning this post, this menu, or it may be flyer with your vibe in mind. No pressure, just wanted to share it. If you like it, I would love to collab." Now, you see, you are not begging, you are leading with value. Even if they don't respond, no big deal. That piece still goes in your portfolio. Because when you lead like this, you are not just asking for a chance. You are proving you have already got what they need. That one shift can get you more replies, better clients, and way more confidence. Quick shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Envato. If you are a designer or a content creator, this platform is basically a cheat code. For just $16 a month, you get unlimited downloads of fonts, mockups, presentation templates, graphics, stock videos, music, LUTs for editing, and now a full AI toolkit that includes video, image, and audio generation. That's over 22 million premium assets, all with a lifetime commercial license, and you can cancel it anytime. I use Envato for client projects, content creation, and honestly, even some of the visuals in this very video came from there. So if you are tired of googling free mockups and landing on sketchy download sites, click the first link in the description to try it out and unlock your creative superpowers. Alright, back to the video. Now you have probably heard this: never work for free. And yeah, it makes sense until you are just starting out and have zero clients, no income, and a portfolio that looks like a blank canvas. So here's the real take: don't work for free, but bartering? That's smart. Let me explain. Let's say your friends in a band, they have got gigs, but no posters. You design one and shout you out on stage. You just turn your design into real value. Or maybe there is a new food truck in the town. Their Instagram is trash. You redesign 5 posts for them. In return, you eat free every time you show up. That's not free work. That's leveraged work. Bartering does 2 powerful things. First, it gets you in the door. Second, it builds word of mouth momentum money can't buy. You are getting paid, just not in cash yet. And you are planting seeds that lead to real clients. Let me give you a real world hack. Don't just say, "I will do this for free." Say, "I would love to trade this design for your product, service, or visibility. Let's build something cool together." That sentence makes you sound like a business person, not just starving artist. And honestly, some of your best long-term clients might come from a small barter that you did when you had nothing but skill and hustle. Let me ask you something. How many times you have made a design, a poster, a logo, or a template, and it just sat on your hard drive? Maybe the client ghosted you. Maybe it was for practice. Maybe it just didn't feel right. Maybe it just didn't feel right to post. But here's the thing. That unused design might still make you money. Seriously, there are platforms where people are actively looking for exactly what's sitting in your old folders. Here is what you do. Take those assets, templates, mockups, illustrations, icons, fonts, or whatever it is, and upload them to sites like Creative Market, Free Pick, Adobe Stock, Etsy, Envato Elements. Yup, even for the digital design. Every time someone downloads it, you get paid. Let me explain it with an example. Let's say you upload a Instagram carousel template for coaches. You price it at $12. Now imagine 100 people buy it. That's $1,200 from something that was just sitting there collecting dust. And guess what? You didn't trade time for money. You made something once and now it keeps paying you while you sleep. That's passive income. Here is a pro tip. Niche down. Don't just upload social media templates. You can upload minimal beach Instagram story pack for skincare brands or editable Canva flyer for yoga instructors. The more specific you are, the more likely someone will say, this is exactly what I needed. Let me show you something no one is paying attention to. But designers who get this are quietly making $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Coupon magazine publishers. Yes, sounds outdated, right? But it's not, because Facebook ads are expensive and digital noise is at all-time high. They want something tangible. But don't take my word for it. Check this out. That's real-time Google Trends data for the term coupon magazine. See that spike? That means people, especially in the US, are actively searching this niche again. What I am telling you is to start paying attention to what's in demand. Because when you can match what people are searching for with what you can offer, that's when you start printing money as a designer. If you are serious about making money as a graphic designer, you have got way more options than just finding clients or posting on Instagram. Because the truth is, it's not the most talented designers who win. It's the one who knows what to offer, when to offer, and how to present it. If this video gave you clarity, drop a fire in the comments and let me know if you want a deep dive on any of these topics. I read every comment. Also, huge thanks again to Envato for sponsoring this video. The link is in the description if you want unlimited design assets without the headache.